admiration, adoration, aesthetic appreciation, amusement, anxiety, awe, awkwardness, boredom, calmness, confusion, craving, disgust, empathetic pain, entrancement, envy, excitement, fear, horror, interest, joy, nostalgia, romance, sadness, satisfaction, sexual desire, sympathy, and triumph. What do all of these have in common? All of these are 27 different emotions that you guys can use to market any dropshipping product to anybody in the world. Let's go. So what's going on, guys? Connor here. In this video, I'm going to be going over what, in my opinion, is the best niche for you guys to create a store in and also to sell in. So in this video, I'm going to be going over what the best niche is, the hottest niche in dropshipping right now in 2019, and then I'm also on top of that is going to tell you why this niche is better than all the others, what are the 3 products that you can sell in this niche, and then how you can also sell these products with emotion, because one thing I always talk about on my channel is selling your products with emotion, and that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So let's get right into the video. The best niche to sell in 2019 right now, in my opinion, is summer toys and inflatables. And you probably are already asking yourself, why is this niche better than all the others? And let me tell you guys why. So basically, the reason that this niche is better than all the others, because number one, Google Trends on both summer and inflatables are trending upwards like crazy. So we'll just go ahead and jump right into the summer Google Trends. And as you guys can see, right, look at this. Every year, this is sorted by the past 5 years, every year around June and July, it's spikes up to over 75, basically nearly 100. So back in 2014 it did it, 2015, 2017, 2018, and now in 2019, look at this. June 2nd, it's to the 8th, it's spiking again. It's since the 16th right now of June. So absolutely amazing time to jump on any summer products. It's trending upwards. You guys can still definitely catch this trend. You can get products out there because it's going to be at the peak of people's search. People are going to be searching this the most, so it's definitely a great product. It's definitely a great niche to sell in. And then if we just pop over to the inflatable here, as you guys can see again, like, wow, this thing is just trending upwards again. So last year around July 1st to July 7th, it had 100, basically the most interest it ever had in the last 5 years. So as you can see right here, it's still trending upwards, going to exactly where it was last year. So this is a perfect time to hop on any type of inflatable products, beach toys, whatever it may be, which I'll get into later. So I'm going to be showing you guys 3 products that I would sell basically in this niche. And if we just jump back here, what are 3 products that I could sell in this niche? The first one is going to be a interactive dog water fountain. The second product is going to be an emoji beach ball, and the third product is going to be an inflatable air chair. So now I'm going to get into exactly how to market each of these products, and I'm going to tell you which emotion you guys can use, as well as give you a high quality Facebook ad example that you can create your video ads off of. And also I'm going to be going into exactly what hook you guys can use on your videos. So how can I sell these products with emotion? Starting with the interactive dog water fountain. What we're going to do is we're just going to play this ad, basically the Facebook ad, and this document will also be linked in the description for you guys to look at after the fact. So if you want to, you can go ahead and check that out right now. Make sure that you guys smash the like as well, because that really helps out my channel. So we'll go ahead and watch this video really quick here. So it's basically just a water fountain for dogs, and they can press on it whenever they want. They can use it whenever they need a drink, and it's a great product for the summer, right? It just hooks right up, and it's definitely an engaging ad. Very, very interesting to watch. I'm sure a lot of dog owners would love having this product, and it's got a little dog paw on there. So very simple organic ad, right? There's no text on it. There's definitely an ad you can pull some footage from, and there's also a ton of other footage on YouTube. So that's just basically the first ad that I found, the best ad that I found for this interactive dog water fountain. And the emotion that I would recommend using to market this product is going to be fear. The reason I say to use fear is because you can use fear in the way that fear of owners being worried about their dogs getting dehydrated during the summer due to all the high temperatures. So essentially what you're doing is you're offering the solution of a water fountain that dogs can use at any time of the day, any time of the year, so that their owners really never have to worry about their dog getting dehydrated and getting sick. Because at the end of the day, if you think about why people have pets, right, and why people have dogs, dogs considered to be man's best friend. So people love their dogs like almost like a kid or like a human, right? So if you can treat their dog and have products for their dog as if they're like a child, and really appeal to that emotion, then you're going to be able to really tap into what makes that person want to buy your product. So you're basically telling them, hey, you guys should be worried about your dog getting dehydrated during the summer because it is hot. That's a very valid reason. So one thing I would do for this product specifically is for the hook. I would say, I go on Google, search Google statistics for about like how many dogs suffer from dehydration, or how many dogs have, I guess you could do, died from dehydration. It's a little more, serious, but I would do maybe just something along the lines of, did you know that, blank number of dogs suffer from dehydration per year? And then, in the US, if you're targeting US, if you're doing UK, you could put the UK, and that's exactly how I'd set up that hook. So overall, really use fear to help sell this product, and then make sure that your product description and your text and your video ads matches together. So you're basically appealing to the emotion of fear, not only in your video ads, but then also your product description matches that, and it's got the same general theme going, so people aren't confused when they go to your product page and it doesn't talk anything about fear and hydrating your dog essentially. So we'll go ahead and jump right into the next product here. So the second product that I would sell in this niche is going to be emoji beach balls. So I'll go ahead and click on the ad here before we jump into how I'd market this. And this is a very interesting ad, right? It's literally just a beach ball. It's literally just a beach ball spinning around in a, it's kind of funny, right? That's pretty engaging. This video is only like 10 seconds long. I don't even think this is an ad. This is just something posted by one of these people. So, very interesting. It's just an emoji on a beach ball. That's really all the product is, which is pretty cool in my opinion. I haven't seen, this product really a lot of places. So the emotion I would use on this product to market it to everyone on Facebook ads would be amusement. And, that was the list, amusement was on the list of, the 27 human emotions. This is a funny product with a really broad appeal. You could market it to people that are going to parties. You could market it to younger people, to older people who are the ones throwing pool parties, for whether it's a work event or whether it's just a family event. And essentially what you're doing is you're offering a trendy product for the summertime. So really, using bright colors, using, fun words, using kind of like goofy descriptions in your product description and in your ad copy is what's going to allow you to kind of bring more amusement to the ad and to the product itself. So, people in general just love swimming and being outside in the summer, which means that your ads are going to get a lot more attention compared to, typical dropshipping products, whether that's, in the gardening niche, whether that's in the cosmetics niche, right? People are searching actively for summer products now, especially because it's seasonal. So you have that going for you. An example hook I'd use would be something along the lines of, come to the pool party in style with these brand new emoji beach balls. It's just very simple, right? You want to make it kind of like, you want to make it kind of whimsical and try and put as much amusement into the product description as you can. So moving on to the third product. The third product is an inflatable air chair, and this product absolutely popped off yesterday. I actually have one of these at my house. It's amazing. I've used it before. It's really cool. It's basically this product where it's essentially just like a big like bean bag, or it's just a big like plastic tube, and you can like run it or like swoosh it around basically, and it fills up with air, and you can it's essentially like a little mini couch. So I'll go ahead and show you the ad really quick here, because I'm sure the ad is going to describe it a lot better than I can. So yeah, basically it's just this little bag that you swish around, right? And super cool, really easy to use. All you have to do is roll it up and clip it together, and then boom, you've got a chair. You can use it at the beach, you can use it when you're camping, you can really suntan with this. You can do anything you want. It looks like it floats in the water too, which is amazing. And I've personally used this product. I wouldn't say I've tested it because I haven't tested it on my store or anything, but I've personally used the product. It's a high quality product. It hasn't popped. I even put it on rocks and stuff, and it was totally fine. Okay, we don't want to play LeBron moments here. Let's go back. Sorry about that. I know I had to include a LeBron plug in there. Yeah, so for the emotions to use would be calmness is what I would use for the emotion on this product, because with a, inflatable air chair, you got to think about why people are using this product. People are going to be using this product, number one, in the summer, so you have that Google trend going for you. But then number two, you have kind of the meditation and relaxation niche going for you as well. So you're almost combining two niches together, and the best way to market to those niches specifically is with calmness. So you can say, it's really relaxing and sun tanning in the summer, is something a lot of people enjoy doing. You can market this way as a way to get, a comfy couch on the go with no setup, so it's quick and easy. People that are traveling on the go, whether they're going to the beach, they can just throw it in their beach bag and be ready to go without, having to take an inflatable and, a pump and everything. Like, that's too much of a hassle, right? So it's hassle-free, couch on the go, essentially what it is. Simple, easy to unpack, and it's a perfect way for people to just relax on the beach. So an example hook that I would use would be, if you plan on going to the beach this summer, you need to see this and then do ... So it kind of entices them to look at the ad, and that's going to really help get your video watch time up and help get your CTR up to compete with other people in the market that are trying to sell this product. So this product absolutely popped off last year. It's a great product to sell right now. I definitely recommend, if you guys are stuck on what product to sell, what niche to go into, all three of these products, the inflatable air chair, the emoji beach balls, and the interactive dog water fountain, are all products that you could set up on a summer store, basically a niche store just related to, it could even be like the sunshine store, and you could sell all these products and it would just work perfectly in that niche, going along with the summer toys and inflatable trend that's going on right now. Especially, it's very, very seasonal, and you could really make some good money with all three of these products. I personally would test these. I'm gonna leave these for you guys to test, and I want you guys to let me know if you guys test them, how they do. So just to summarize, basically, use one of the 27 human emotions to sell. So I'll have all the human emotions linked in the description as well. And then what you really need to do is, look at your product, understand your buyers, and then figure out what emotion is most related to it that you think you could sell the best off of. So personally, I like selling off of fear, because it's very easy, right? You can give people essentially a problem that they didn't know they had, right? And instill the fear in them at the beginning of your ad copy, and then you can provide the solution to that problem or that fear. You can alleviate that fear that they have with your product, and it seems to be working the best for me. So I always tend to go towards fear as the emotion that I sell off of the most. And then the next thing you want to do is to match the ad video text with the product description. So if you're using fear in your ad copy, you also want to use fear in your product description. And then the last thing would be to just don't be afraid to test multiple different angles. Testing different angles with Facebook ads is extremely important. I can't stress it enough. You should have at least 3 to 5 videos in your ads manager per ad set. That's what I always recommend to all my students, to everyone I talk to. It just seems to work the best. You can test different scroll stoppers on those ads that I've talked about in previous videos. You guys have heard this before if you followed me for a couple months now. I always talk about the ads and how important it is. I do have a video coming up soon that is going to go over exactly how you guys can create even better ads and give you guys another alternative to video ads. So that'll be coming up in the next couple videos here, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, if you guys made it this far, DM me with the term made it at Connor Chapman on Instagram. It's just my name, Connor Chapman on Instagram, and I will answer all of your guys' questions for the entire day if you DM me that. I have a little interesting little twist there. It's not a giveaway, I guess, necessarily, but you get personalized help from me. So yeah, like I said, if you guys like this video, consider subscribing. I did want to mention to you guys that I was also in a podcast called Tech Money Talks, so I'll leave a link to the description below. I'm sorry about that, I should probably turn those off, but I'll leave a link to the description of the Tech Money Talks podcast in the description, and you guys can just check it out. It should be released here in the next week or so, so make sure you guys... Wow, it is, I don't know what's going on with my phone right now, but we're getting a lot of sales, which is great news. If you guys saw my story on Instagram yesterday, I lost money, which was crazy, but it looks like today is going to be much better, so that's a good sign. I'm glad this video ended with a couple sales, a couple cha-chings. Hope that provides some good luck for you guys on your stores the rest of the day. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and smash the like on this video so we can allow this video to reach more and more people. That's going to be it for me on this video. We're going to be getting a lot more regular uploads now, so get ready for that. And thank you guys so much for your support, and as always, keep your mind right. Peace.